Welcome to Atrashi Hinode by T3 Solutions. In this tutorial, you will learn how to assign shortcut keys to commands in MS Word 365. Let's create a blank document, and here you need to go to File, and now we need to go to Options. Here, right? Under the same tab where we went for customizing ribbon, we have to go to Customize Ribbon, and then here at the bottom you can see that there is an option called keyboard shortcuts, and there is a customized menu right to it, right? So you need to click on that. So here you can see two tables. The first one is categories and the other one is commands. So in the first one we can see the all kinds of different tabs: file tab, insert tab, blog post tab, print tab, outlining tab, everything. So in file tab, we will get the commands that are present under the file tab. So, and under the insert tab we will get the names of commands that will be present under an insert tab. So in order to add a new shortcut key, right, first you need to just find your desired command. So I'm going to file tab, and here, right, for this add digital signature command, for this command there is no shortcut key set by default. That's why you can see under the current key section that the field is blank, because there is no default shortcut key uh, set so far. So if you are going to that file option, file open menu, right, file open command, right, here we can see under the current keys field we can see there are two shortcut keys set for it. The first one is Control plus F2 F12. The second one is Alt plus Control plus F2. So we can assign multiple shortcut keys for the same function. So unless the field is occupied, if any field is empty for any of the command, it means that there is no shortcut key set for it so far. So now I'm going to insert tab, and as you can see here there is a create table command, and it does not have any shortcut key assigned till now. So I need to assign the shortcut key for it. So, and here you can see, right, it says press new shortcut key, and so here we have to click in this field and we have to press our new shortcut key. So here I'm setting Control plus T. Okay, I'm pressing Control plus T, and as you can see it is displayed in the field right now. And in order to set this for a shortcut key, you need to click assign. Now hereafter this Control plus T will be your new shortcut key for your create table command. So you can click assign. Look, it's successfully assigned. And now if you go down, you can see there's an insert picture as a command. So I'm going to create a shortcut key for that too. I'm going to set Control I and P. Okay, Control I plus P, both letters along with Control key. So you can see it will comes Control plus I comma P, both the letters. So let's click assign again, and here, right, there is insert insert symbol command down. So that too I'm assigning Control plus I and S, and I'm assigning it so that we have assigned it. If you go back to our previous commands, we can see those commands are selected and shown in the field. And if you go under Home tab, you can see that for bold there are already two shortcut keys assigned by default, and currently I'm going to font color picker. For this I'm going to set the shortcut key Control F comma C, Control F comma C, it's selected now. I'm clicking assign, and then uh, here is create table under the home tab as well. You can see, our previously chosen shortcut key. So here, once you're done, you can just click close. If you have finished setting up all the shortcut keys, you can click close, and here you must click OK. Now here, right, for creating table we have assigned the shortcut key Control plus T, right? So let's just press Control plus T. Now see, we have got the draw table tool. Now we can just create our table. Similarly, you can create a table, and while creating, right, you can notice that while we draw like this, here a red mark comes. This means it will not draw anything. It will be neglected. Your lines must be straight, but inside a cell we can draw a diagonal. That will be accepted. Look, so that's how you draw a table. Now our next shortcut key was insert symbol, right? So let's check that out. So now our shortcut key was Control IS, right? So let's just press that. Now look, I have pressed the shortcut key, and here we have got the menu here. So we will look into the next one. So here I'm using my new shortcut key for inserting image, that is Control plus I and P. So let me just press Control IP. Okay, as you can see, the option has come. Now let's see how we can remove the shortcut keys that we have added, right? It is pretty simple. Just go to File, go to Options, go to Customize Ribbon, Keyboard Shortcuts Customize, and here, right, you need to find your shortcut keys that you have created. So go to Create Table, and here, right, current case there is Control T here, right? Just click on your desired shortcut key and click Remove. It will be removed. And then similarly, the other ones also you can repeat the same. Go to your other commands, just click the commands, then go to current keys and remove the shortcut key. It will be removed. And under Insert tab, we need to remove the Insert Picture key also, right? So we can click Remove, and this is how you remove any shortcut keys that you have created. So once you're done, you can just click on Close and click OK here. So that's the end of this tutorial. See you in next tutorial.